Let's talk about how to make standard form of linear equation into slope intercept form. We have this example, 3x plus 2y equals 4. This follows the ax plus by equals c, the standard form of linear equation. And we can make this to slope intercept form by transposing this 3 here to the right side of the equation. So we have this 2y equals negative 3x plus 4. Then simplify this equation in terms of y by dividing the right side of the equation and the left side of the equation by 2. So we have this y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 4 over 2. And we can simplify this one, this fraction. 4 over 2 is equals to 2. So we have this equation y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 2. And this is now the slope intercept form. This is the slope, negative 3 over 2. And this is the y-intercept. So let's graph the equation. So our first point is the y-intercept, which is 0, 2. And if we go to the right 2 units, we are going to go down 3 units since this is a negative slope, negative 3 over 2. So going to the right 2 units and going down 3 units. So we have this point. And if we go to the left 2 units, we are going to go up 3 units. And we have this point. And connecting these 3 points, we have this line. And this is our equation 3x plus 2y equals 4, or y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 2. Another example is for x minus 2y equals negative 6. Our b and c are negative. And simplify this one. Transpose this 4x to the right side of the equation. We have negative 2y equals negative 4x minus 6. Simplifying this in terms of y by dividing 2 to both sides of the equations, we have y equals negative 4 over negative 2, x minus 6 over negative 2. And this is negative, and this is negative and negative. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 3 over 2 is 3. So we have the final answer as y equals 2x plus 3. And since this is a whole number, this is considered to have a denominator of 1. So y equals 2 over 1 x plus 3. This is useful in plotting the points since this is the change in y over the change in x. The change in x is 1, while the change in y is 2. So let's graph the equation. So our first point is the y-intercept 0, 3. And if we go to the right 1 unit, then we go up 2 units, and we have this point 1 and 5. And if we go to the left 1 unit, we should go down 2 units. So we have this point negative 1, 1. And connecting these 3 points, we have this line y equals 2x plus 3.